अंगो हो यार अंगो ओए तू पानी ला चलो चलो बसने लो चल
I got a little late in publishing this video and I'm really sorry for that, and I'm really sorry for making you all wait for this video. So anyways, let's start this video. So after reaching the peak of the Dong Valley, some of us took a nap and I went to join with the others on a bonfire.
अभी 4:38 नाम तो नहीं जाएगी तो चला दे जल्दी पहुंच गया था हम लोग
अभी ठीक 5 बजे करेंगे
ये तो नहीं कर रहा
तो बुझा कर ले चुपचाप
ओके और कपड़ा फाड़ना मन
अभी आता मेरा पड़ कौन आ दीदी जवा देगा
As the time went, we sat on a perfect place to see the first sunrise of Arunachal. I put the camera on a time lapse and then we realized that we were sitting and watching at the wrong direction. So then I turned my camera and so that is there, the mountain, the covered with the snow, that is where the sunlight was gonna touch. The first sunlight we're gonna touch. So the first sunlight should be touching at that mountain, but actually before that mountain the first sunlight or a sun rays touches at that mountain or at that top of the mountain. So after that we came down to explore Dong Valley, and so as you're seeing those forests out there, I love that scenery, so I took some pictures in there.
पूरा कपड़ा गंदा हो गया जो आगे चलो
चलो चलो चलो चलो हेमदे क्या कर रहे थे
चलो
हम जो मेरा पाँव जो कांप गया हम और नीचे नहीं जा रहे
आए थे बस
हाँ वहाँ ला
अच्छा यहाँ से भी यहाँ चल सकेगा
इधर से चलो अब रोड 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 करके जाना चाहते तो जा सकते हैं इधर से
चलना तो वो तो पीछे मत रहो ये आगे चलो तुम दोनों आगे चलो पीछे बैठना नहीं
Going up was a little it was very tiring, but now going down is not that tiring and sweaty, but the thigh is, you have to give a lot of pressures on the thigh, and yeah, it's still paining. My legs are still paining now, and we have a way more long way to go back, but we're gonna stay there and we're gonna take some. So here's the interesting part. Yeah, at the first glance I thought that there was some kind of new bird, but then it was not. Okay, now going up was so tiring, and now coming down is painful. So after a long trekking back down there, we reach at here where we're going to take pictures, we're going to make videos, and we are going to do a lot of things. And this is the place where you get a nice view of sunrise.
legendary love video
So there at this place we took a lot of pictures, more than enough, a lot of pictures. We were so concentrated and busy with the pictures that we forgot to make a reels or take a videos. But everyone got their own space, and there were a lot of people out there. And I mean, there were a lot of people who came there like us, and everyone got their own space, and we got our own space to take pictures, and nobody disturbed us, and we didn't disturb anyone else. So after taking pictures, it was time to go down. So that is the place where we are going down.
ये है दोंग आने की रास्ते ये है दोंग वन वो ऊपर में दोंग टू तो हेलो गाइस तो वेलकम टू माय चैनल रिस्पेक्ट माय चैनल
Yes.
चैनल मालिक और ये है रियापुर आप लोग सिनेरियो देख सकते हैं ना सुंदर है We are the last one. Everyone is waiting for us in there, I guess. Oh, it's not. You're welcome. सब लोग चले गए हमें छोड़ के अरे यार सुना लावे में Okay. ना जाएंगे अरे वीडियो तो ऑन करने दो ना अरे बहुत ना मोटा मोटा है क्यों ना ये बेरीज तो ना मोटा मोटा है हम कर दे अरे यार मेरा हाथ अया 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 पत्थर गिर गया ऊपर से कहाँ से आया ये पत्थर तो अया ना जोर से गिरा मेरा मुंह में रुको रुको दूसरा चांस कहाँ है कहाँ से आए ना वो पत्थर जो हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा है हमको कहाँ ला हमको दिखाई नहीं दे रहे टिपे एक भी अरे यार ओ यहाँ पे एक ना टाइट है तो ये होटिम तो ना टाइट है तुम बस मेरा हाथ दर्द कर रहा है चलो तीन तो मिला यहाँ हो गया कितना मिला देखो हाथ देखो अया हाथ अपना गंदा हो गया रुको अरे यार तुम पूरा खा दे रहे हैं अभी ठीक है ला जहरीला तो नहीं है तुम खा दे दोस्त तुम मतलब थोड़ा भी टेस्ट नहीं है मीठा है तब हमें खा के देखो चल और रख देगा
Praman da shimbai ba.
So I actually was expecting more like a better view of the sunrise, but it was not as I expected. So right here the thing is, we went on the top of the kind of Adong Valley, but if we stop at the place where the first place where we reach at the plain area, that is the place where we could have a good view of the sunrise. But we didn't have a good conversation, or we didn't have a kind of, we were not connected, all of us were not connected with the guide that we had at that time. And so that's where at the night we climbed at the top to see the better view of the sunrise. But from that top you can see the the sunrise. I can like a sunlight or sunrise touching at the mountain, at the top of the mountain at there, covered with the snow. Then it reflects and the sunrays reflect the snow, and it looks very beautiful. Okay, so that's not doubt on it. But as as I put my camera on a time lapse, but I don't know how I didn't give much attention to the video or on my camera, because I was also busy watching, because I wanted to view it live. So I set the camera on a time lapse at a perfect place, but then just happened. I don't know why, but my camera got stopped, and I don't know how it happened, but I didn't get the good view of the. I didn't get the. Um, I didn't get to shoot the good view of the sunrise, but also you don't get the good view of the sunrise from there. So this is the view that you get to see from at that peak. So that is it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching this video till here. Stay tuned to my channel for the next video. For now, see you in the next video. Bye.